Hello student, today is lecture number 6, thermodynamic equilibrium. So, when a system is not affected in any way, right? कोणतीही सिस्टीम कोणत्याही पद्धतीने affected होत नसते. When it's allowed to interact with surrounding, मग ते कोणत्या कशाच्या सराउंडिंग मध्ये इंटरॅक्ट होती सराउंडिंग. Such system is known as isolated system. Allowed to interact with surrounding, such system is known as a isolated system. When a system is not affected in any way, when it is allowed to interact with surrounding, such system is known as isolated system. अशी एक सिस्टीम आहे की ती तिच्यावर कोणत्याही ह्याचा परिणाम होत नाही, ना सराउंडिंगचाही परिणाम होत नाही. त्या सिस्टीमला काय म्हणतात? आयसोलेटेड सिस्टीम. बट इन अ रियल ॲप्लिकेशन usually we deal with a system that is influenced in some way due to surrounding. मग कसे? A system is said to be in a state of thermodynamic equilibrium if a change of state cannot take place while the system is subjected to interaction with its surrounding. Okay. For the system to be thermodynamic equilibrium, it is necessary that it should be under mechanical, chemical, thermal and electrical equilibrium. Okay. आता आपण एका नंतर एक मेकॅनिकल, केमिकल, इलेक्ट्रिकल, थर्मल काय ते बघू. आता मेकॅनिकल इक्विलिब्रियम मध्ये when there are no unbalanced force, the unbalanced force within the system, and the surrounding, then the system is said to be under the mechanical equilibrium. The chemical equilibrium मध्ये काय? The system is said to be in chemical equilibrium, okay, when there are no chemical reaction going on within the system, okay, or there is no transfer of matter from one part of the system to other due to diffusion. Okay, two systems are said to be in a chemical equilibrium. Two systems are said to be in chemical equilibrium with each other when their chemical potential are same. Okay. Thermal equilibrium म्हणजे काय? When the temperature of the system, okay, temperature of the system is uniform and not changing throughout the system, okay, not changing throughout the system and also in the surrounding, okay, surrounding, then the system is said to be in thermal equilibrium. Two systems are said to be thermal equilibrium with each other if their temperature are same. The electrical equilibrium काय? Electrical equilibrium means that there is a no net flow of electric charge or no electric current. सोपं आहे सगळं. तुम्ही 11वी-12वीला हे बघितलेले, फर्स्ट इयरला हे बघितलेले. आता रिव्हर्सिबल प्रोसेस आणि इरिव्हर्सिबल प्रोसेस हेही महत्वाचे आहेत. आणि हे रिव्हर्सिबल प्रोसेस ही 4 ते 5 मार्काला किंवा 6 मार्काला विचारली जाते. सोपी एकदम. रिव्हर्सिबल प्रोसेस मध्ये काय? द प्रोसेस इन विच द सिस्टीम अँड सराउंडिंग काय? इन विच द सिस्टीम अँड सराउंडिंग कॅन बी रिस्टोर्ड किंवा रिस्टोरेड. This is the restored to the initial state from the final state without producing any change in the thermodynamic process properties, thermodynamic properties of the inverse is called a reversible process. Restored म्हणजेच काय? ती परत त्या ठिकाणी, म्हणजे जसं फॉर एक्झाम्पल इनिशियल स्टेट ए टू बी मध्ये जे फॉर्म झालं ते परत रिव्हर्स मध्ये बी टू ए ला काय होईल? एच्या ठिकाणी परत बी फॉर्म होईल. याला रिव्हर्स प्रोसेस म्हणतात, रिव्हर्सिबल प्रोसेस म्हणतात. बरोबर. लेट अस सपोज दॅट द सिस्टम हॅज अंडरगोज अ चेंज फ्रॉम state A to state B. If the system can be restored from state B to A, okay, and there is a no change in the inverse, then the process is said to be reversible process. आलं लक्षात? The reversible process can be reversed completely. परत लक्षात घ्या. The reversible process can be reversed completely, and there is no trace left to show that the system had undergone the thermodynamic change from the system to undergo the reversible change. It should occur infinitely slowly due to infinite small gradient. म्हणजे त्याच ठिकाणी परत gradient म्हणजे A to B, B to A, like this. During the reversible process, all the change in state that occur in a system, during the reversible process, all the change in state that occur in the system are in thermodynamic equilibrium with each other. Okay. Thus, there are two important conditions for the reversible process to occur. Firstly, the process should occur in infinite small step, and secondly, all of the initial and final state of the system should be in equilibrium with each other. If during the reversible process the heat content of the system remains constant, that is, it is an adiabatic process, then the process is said isentropic process, that is, the entropy of the system remains constant. The phenomena of the undergoing reversible change is also called a reversibility. In actual practice, the reversible process never occurs. Thus, it is an ideal and a hypothetical hypothetical process. Hypothetical process. आता रिव्हर्सिबल प्रोसेस म्हणजेच काय? इरिव्हर्सिबल. म्हणजे ही रिव्हर्स काय होणार आहे? ए टू बी, बी टू ए ला येणार नाही. हे रिव्हर्स इरिव्हर्सी म्हणजे परत तो पदार्थ किंवा ती रिॲक्शन एक्झॅक्टली तेच पदार्थ आपल्याला मिळणार नाही. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, आपण जर भाजी घेतली आणि ती रात्री आंबली, ती कोणती प्रोसेस? ती इरिव्हर्सिबल प्रोसेस. ओके. द इरिव्हर्सिबल प्रोसेस इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द नॅचरल प्रोसेस. हे नॅचरल प्रोसेस असतात. म्हणजे फॉर एक्झाम्पल, दुधाची दही होणे हे नॅचरल प्रोसेस आहे. ओके. दहीचं दूध होणार नाही. द irreversible process is also called the natural process, because all the process occurring in nature, okay? All the process occurring in nature are reversible process. काय म्हणायचे? The reversible process is also called the natural process because all the process occurring in nature are irreversible process. Example बघूया. The natural process occur due to the finite gradient between the two states of the system. For instance, heat flow between two bodies occurs due to the temperature gradient between the two bodies. This is a fact that this is in fact the natural flow of heat. Similarly, water flow from high level to low level, current flow from high potential to low potential, etc. In the irreversible process, the initial state of the system and surrounding cannot be restored from the final state. Okay. During the irreversible process, the various states of the system on the path of change from initial state to final state are not in equilibrium with each other. During the irreversible process, the entropy of the system increases disseverely, and it cannot be reduced back to its initial value. ये descensively, DECISIVELY, descensively, and it cannot be reduced back to its initial value. The phenomena of a system undergoing reversible process is called as reversibility. This is very important. 4 mark. Reversible, irreversible, distinguish between reversible and irreversible process. हे 4 जरी लिहिले, इकडचे 4 इकडचे 4, तुम्हाला पूर्ण 4 मार्क मिळतील. म्हणून एक वाक्य चांगलं करून घ्या. रिव्हर्सिबल प्रोसेस मध्ये, द प्रोसेस विच कॅन बी रिट्रेस इन रिव्हर्स ऑर्डर. रिट्रेस म्हणजे का? रिव्हर्स ऑर्डरने रिट्रेस होत असते. ओके. आणि काय असेल? रिट्रेस होणार नाही, याच्या विरुद्ध लिहायचं. द प्रोसेस विच कॅन नॉट बी रिट्रेस एक्झॅक्टली इन रिव्हर्स ऑर्डर. ठीक. त्याला 1 मार्क मिळाला तुम्हाला. अ टेम्पररी, दुसरं, अ टेम्पररी कन्व्हर्शन आर नोन ॲज रिव्हर्सिबल चेंज. इथं काय असं? इरिव्हर्सिबल चेंज आर परमनंट चेंज. is the system free from dissipative force, that is viscosity and fraction. इथं काय होईल? The system not free from dissipative force. And there is a no energy loss due to conductions or reductions. कुठं? रिव्हर्सिबल मध्ये. irreversible मध्ये काय? There is energy loss due to conductions or reduction. बस. आणि हे शेवटचं घ्या. The process must be carried out very slowly. हे घ्या. The process in which students change occur. बरोबर. आणि हे आणि खालचा अजून एक सोपा होता. रिव्हर्सिबिलिटी इज आयडियल कन्सेप्ट. इरिव्हर्सिबल इज अ नॅचरल रूल. आलं लक्षात? हे 5 पाठ करा, 4 मार्क तुम्हाला. आणि हे बघा दुसरं, द प्रोसेस मस्ट बी मेड ऑफ series of successive infinite small steps. So system passes through number of thermodynamic equilibrium steps. इथं बघा, the process does not consist of series of successive thermodynamic equilibrium steps. अवघड सोपं घ्यायचं, 4 लिहून टाकायचे. इकडचे 4, इकडचे 4. 4 मार्क तुम्हाला फुल मिळतात. कंप्रेसिबिलिटी म्हणजे काय? इन थर्मोडायनामिक्स अँड फ्लूइड मेकॅनिक्स कंप्रेसिबिलिटी ब्रॅकेटमध्ये बघा काय एक्सप्लेनेशन आहे तर, also known as the coefficients of compressibility or isothermal of fluid or solid as the response to the pressure change. In its simple form, the compressibility beta may be expressed as काय? बीटा हा compressibility च्या एक्सप्रेस केलेला आहे. ओके. बीटा is equal to -1 upon V, dA by V upon dA by P. इथं value V for the volume, P for the pressure. The choice to define compressibility as the opposite of the fraction makes compressibility positive in the case that an increase in a pressure induce a reduction in volume. It is also known as reciprocals of bulk modulus of elasticity of a fluid. So the specification above is incomplete because for any object or system, the magnitude of the compressibility depends strongly on whether the process is asymptotic or isothermal. According to isothermal compressibility is defined as beta T is equal to -1 upon V in a bracket dA by V upon dA by P. That's 37. Where the subscript T indicates that the partial differential is to be taken at constant temperature. Isentropic compressibility is defined beta S is equal to -1 upon V dA by V upon dA by P. This is 38. Where S is the entropy for a solid, the distractions between the two is usually negligible. So coefficient of thermal expression. The coefficients of thermal expressions describe how the size of object changes with a change in temperature. Specifically, 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 it means the fraction change in size per degree, change in temperature at a constant pressure. Several types काय म्हणायचंय it means specifically म्हणजे it means the fractional change in size per degree, okay, change in a temperature, okay, at a constant pressure. Constant pressure at your change in temperature. Several types of coefficients have been developed: volumetric area and linear. The choice of coefficient depends on the particular application and which dimensions are considered important. For solid, one might only be concerned with the change along the length, okay, over or over the same area. The volumetric thermal expansion coefficient is the most basic thermal expansion coefficient and the most relevant for fluid. Fluid माहिती आहे तुम्हाला म्हणजे पातळ liquid. In general, substance expand or contract when their temperature changes. Okay, and the temperature. The expansions or contractions occurring in all directions, substance that expand at the same rate in every directions are called isotropic. For isotropic materials, the area and volumetric thermal expansion coefficient are respectively approximately twice and 3 times longer than the linear thermal expansion coefficient. Thank you.